What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on BABA ticker.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point when we were at the price point of roughly $85.64, and I've told you that in order to remain bullish we shouldn't retrace deeper than the bottom of the second wave right here, the price point of about $83, and we were hovering for 2 sessions above this range because it was a decent support line, and eventually we broke it to the downside, and this breakout invalidated this count of 5 waves as our motive wave, and we cannot rely on this count because we retraced not only deeper than the bottom of the second wave, but also in the next session. Let me show you that we found the support right here at this previous bottom, but then we broke this range as well, and this movement to the downside invalidated this upside movement as our motive wave, and this means for now we are basically in the middle of nowhere, and for now we can rely only on swing high and swing low, previous swing high and swing low. It is the range of roughly $73.10 and $123.9. And I have to say that as long as this pivot holds, we have decent chances to see higher targets, because from the fundamental standpoint this company is still very attractive and we are approaching major deadlines, and I will show you in my fundamental analysis what I'm talking about. So I will continue with my TA in just several minutes, and for now let's continue with the news directly related to Alibaba. First of all, on May 13th, they posted this press release that they will report its unaudited financial results for the quarter and fiscal year ended March 31st, 2022, before the US market opens Thursday, May 26, 2022. And definitely, in a matter of 12 days we will see their results, and this might be a very good catalyst. For now we don't know what type of catalyst it might be, but definitely we will see the huge volatility during these days. And let me show you what are the estimates for this company. Analysts expect to see 1.07 of earnings per share, and on GAAP basis they expect to see about 51 cents of earnings per share. The revenue should be at the range of $29.38 billion, and I have to say that previously they missed these numbers. Earnings per share missed by 48 cents and revenue missed by $520.17 million. They beat only normalized earnings per share by 13 cents. And I have to say that in general these numbers are lower than we had previously, but all in all, fundamentally this company is still very attractive because it had a lot of headwinds that probably will end very soon. And let me show you that we have news from SEC Commission. On May the 9th they added 11 new companies, and here is the list of these companies, and the majority of these companies are not so well known. The only one is DD Global. And on May 13th they added another company, Plus Tech Technologies, and this list is still growing. And I have to say that for now we don't have BABA ticker in this list, but we still have this possibility to see Alibaba in this list. And I have to say that in the long term I don't think that for now it might be a negative catalyst, because not so many investors expect the delisting the actual delisting of these companies, because all in all, let me show you that the recent news that Beijing and American regulators have been talking about the logistics of allowing on-site inspections by US securities regulators on Chinese companies listed on America's exchanges. And definitely, in a matter of next several weeks to several months, we might see these new rules from SEC, from PCAOB and from CSRC that allow Chinese companies to disclose all the information to the foreign inspections. And definitely it might be the huge step in China and US relationships, and definitely this will be a huge catalyst for all of the Chinese companies. On top of that, let me show you this article. It is a very interesting article, and it was published on Seeking Alpha on May the 12th, and it's titled Alibaba, the aftermath of the crackdown. And let me quote you the summary. The regulatory crackdown has brought the largest Chinese tech companies to their knees, including Alibaba, but the encouraging news for easing regulation on big tech provides a strong vote of confidence. The increased compliance with the anti-monopoly practices has already been reflected in Alibaba's financials, with falling profit margins due to opened up competition for the company. Regulations have not crushed Alibaba's operations, but the softening domestic spending, global supply chain disruption, Russia-Ukraine war, and domestic COVID restrictions further extend the short-term headwinds. Despite the continuing stock market meltdown, Alibaba is a business I feel comfortable with being invested in through the bear market. And I have to say that this article is very interesting. I will put the link on this article in the description below. But for now, let me show you the summary. The market continues to test the patience of Baba's investors. Despite the continuing stock market meltdown, Alibaba is a business I feel comfortable with being invested in through the bear market. Winston Churchill famously said, "Never let a good crisis go to waste." And the political fiasco with Chinese regulatory crackdown, and now the bear market has put one of the best businesses in the world on sale, trading at a deep discount. Intelligent investors with long-term investment horizons might consider jumping on this opportunity as we navigate through the storm. And definitely, I have to say that if you will take a look on the list of their institutional investors and the recent filings that were made just several days ago, you can see that we have a lot of new filings. For example, Old Mission Capital opened new position valued $97.27 million. Other companies like this, FIL Limited, added 14% to its huge position, and for now they own about $1.13 billion in value in Alibaba. Another company that added its position by 75% is Bridgewater Associates, and its total position is $813.8 million. Another company, Dodge & Cox, added 33.94% to its position, with the total value of roughly $1.3 billion. And as you can see, we have definitely more bullish pressure from this list, and this means we still have decent possibilities to hit higher targets in the medium and even short-term perspective. And let me show you the latest price targets. They are still the same, and all of them are highly above $130. Definitely, this asset has a huge upside potential, even on a long-term perspective. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, guys, in order to invest in this company, you have to realize what is your investment horizon. And if it is quite long, if it is from 1 to 5 years, let me show you this. If I switch to weekly time frame and if I remove all drawing tools, what do we have right here? We have huge increase in its price to its peak of $319, almost $320. And for now we have this huge decrease for almost 77%, and we are hovering at the lowest points right now. And from the fundamental standpoint, this company is still very attractive, and this huge movement to the downside is nothing else but a huge discount. And you have to know all the risks that might be involved in the process of investing in this ADR. But all in all, in my opinion, BABA is very attractive investment contender, and that's why if you want to invest in this asset, just accumulate your position on these levels. And I don't want to dive deep on the smaller time frames right now. Just stay cautious and accumulate your position for the long term with this asset. And in a medium and long term perspective, this asset will bring you a lot of profits. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life.